Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix character AI chat error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, some of the most common causes is your internet connection. So go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. So if you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and vice versa. Also, go ahead and restart your router if needed. Now, the next thing we need to do is go ahead and clear the app cache. So click and hold down Character AI to get into app info. From here, scroll down and click into storage and click on clear cache. You can also, while you're in app info here, you can also do a force start. So at the bottom of the page here, it's got force stop. So go ahead and force stop it and then reopen up Character AI, see if that fixes your problem. And if you're running any VPNs, go ahead and disable any running VPNs because they can cause issues here as well. And what sometimes happens, character AI might be down or the servers might be down. So just do a Google search, go to Google, type in down detector, get in the down detector or any other site similar to that. So we've got a few different ones here, downdetector.com. Go there and just put in character AI and see if the application is down or the website is down. And also go ahead and check their social media pages, Character AI's social media pages, to see if they're experiencing any issues. And the last thing what we can try is reinstalling Character AI. So long press, uninstall Character AI and go ahead and download it from your Play or App Store, restart your phone.